In this video, I'm going to talk about the Anua Rice Enzyme Brightening Cleansing Powder. Now, this is a unique dry powder cleanser that you mix with water to create a gentle exfoliating cleanser. It's become a viral sensation on social media, but it's much more than just a trend because it actually delivers results. The key ingredients in this product are the rice powder and the rice extract. Now, they provide a gentle exfoliation and brighten up our skin. It also has rice bran water, which is very nourishing, calms our skin, and it's very soothing for the skin. Has pure vitamin C, that's the ascorbic acid. It's a very powerful brightening agent. It also has alpha-arbutin, which is a good ingredient, gentle ingredient that targets the dark spots on our skin. Ceramides in the product strengthen the skin barrier and provide some hydration to the skin. And finally, it has allantoin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, so it can calm and soothe our skin. The product helps with removing the dead skin cells gently. It brightens the overall complexion and it boosts the skin radiance over time. Two ways to use the product. The first one is as a regular cleanser. Pour powder into your palm, add a small amount of water, mix it to create a paste-like cleanser, then gently massage on face. Rinse off with water. This could be used as a second step in a double cleansing routine. The second method is a marshmallow mask. This is the method which has actually become viral on TikTok. Use more powder, less water in this method. Mix to create a thick, stretchy, bouncy structure. Apply as mask all over the face. Leave it on for several minutes. Rinse off thoroughly. Who can use the product? It's actually quite good for sensitive skin. It actually is much gentler than a lot of other scrubs found in the market. It's suitable for most skin types. It has no fragrance and it's got a gentle formula. Avoid this product if your skin is dehydrated or if your skin is a bit inflamed and red. This is a good cleanser. I would use it not regularly because I'm not a big fan of physical exfoliants, but the physical exfoliants used in this product are quite gentle. I would use this product once a week, every other week. It's a good cleanser and it does work effectively and also priced reasonably. So don't use it too often. Don't use any physical exfoliants or any exfoliants for that matter too often, not number of times in a week. That would actually take your skin in the opposite direction. A good product that should be used with caution once a week or once every other week. So that's my take. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.